What's up, everybody? This is the Tech Preacher. So months and months and leaks and rumors, the Galaxy S22 and the Galaxy S22 series of devices is here. I'm excited about it. Are you excited about it? So let's talk about the Galaxy S22 Ultra. So I got 5 mind-blowing features that I like about the Galaxy S22 Ultra. So let's have some fun and let's party, because today is Galaxy Day. So sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So welcome to Galaxy Day, and the Galaxy S22 devices are here. But I want to talk about 5 features that the Galaxy S22 Ultra has, right? So let's have some fun. Let's party. So coming in at number 1, the Galaxy S22 Ultra will have the brightest display on any device, peaking out almost 1800 nits, 1750 nits of peak brightness on this device, which is mind-blowing for OLED display. So Samsung is bringing the thunder of the best display on any device in 2022 right now. So are you excited about that? That's what I'm talking about. The Galaxy S22 Ultra will have the best display on any device right now. So coming in at number 2, we finally get an updated device with S Pen support, with the S Pen built in the device. That's what I'm talking about. Galaxy Note users, stand up. Who's your daddy, baby? Who is your daddy? Pull that S Pen out and say, who is your daddy? Samsung is pulling off a mind-blowing 2.8 millisecond response time for with supernatural writing, which is amazing for Galaxy Note fans. So if you like a Galaxy Note and you use the pen all the time, this is going to be great for you. So coming in at number 3, the Galaxy S22 Ultra and the Galaxy series of devices is now getting 4 years of software OS updates and a total of 5 years of security patches and stuff like that, which is mind-blowing. Look, not even the Google Pixels get this much support. Plus, in the past 6 or so months, you've seen Samsung been very fast with software updates. Look, even beating the Google Pixel right now. So Samsung has been on top of their game without a doubt with software updates and security patches, even beating the Pixel when it comes down to security patches and bug fixes. So look like Samsung is back focused on timely updates, which is really good. So the Galaxy S22 Ultra and the Galaxy series of devices will receive up to Android 16, which is mind-blowing. So coming in at number 4, the cameras. You didn't think that Samsung was going to miss out on the cameras, right? Samsung now is using a super clear glass on a lens to prevent glaring and enhance clarity. Plus, Samsung now is improving night mode that will give you more details at night. But one of the most mind-blowing features that Samsung is doing with this device, with the Galaxy S22 series of devices, is 12-bit HDR video. This is the first on the smartphone. So it's supposed to give you 64 times more than before. So Samsung is going all out here with the cameras in 2022. That's what I'm talking about. So coming in at number 5, the design. Samsung is bringing the Galaxy Note boxy design that we all know and love. If you're coming from a Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, Samsung is bringing a beautiful classy design with new camera arrays on the back. Not only that, but it has the new Gorilla Glass Victus Plus for more durability. Look, I tell you like this. Make sure you put a case on it, but you will feel right at home if you are a Galaxy Note user. Plus, with more durability, and again, I will recommend a case on your device. But as far as scratches, you will see less of them with the new Galaxy series of devices, which is awesome. And look, with the display and everything else in between, Samsung is doing it. I'm telling you, Samsung is doing it with their design. So bring it, Samsung, bring it. So are you pumped over the Galaxy S22 series of devices? Listen, I do realize there are some shortcomings with the Galaxy S22 Ultra, especially if you're a Galaxy Note user. I know a lot of Galaxy Note users is upset about certain features that they pulled from the device. Look, once I get the device, I'm gonna keep it real no matter what. I'm gonna talk about the good, the bad, the ugly about the Galaxy S22 Ultra. So let's have fun. Let's have a party. It's Galaxy Day. Woo, that's what I'm talking about. This is Eric the Tech Preacher from Easy Computer Solution. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the Galaxy S22 Ultra and all its glory. See you guys on the next video. Peace.
Dan Tana.